Awaka leave me alone.
My beautiful cap. Can't you see my cap just they fly up and down? Oh my goodness. Oh, choi. Cut on set.
All right, so my people, good afternoon. This Ganshos Tuesday. Yeah, we don't come again. We want to talk and we're ready to talk and we don't talk since.
We mean no dey tire for talk.
People will know they tire for talk.
Before we even start the show, people don't they start to talk.
Banky.
2,
Edewo. 3.
Bernard.
The Bernard not to talk. He just a chip in. They chip
Small.
I just they add small.
Commentator.
For heaven's sake, what do you want to do? Then pay us to talk. We decide to talk as career.
So
when you want stuff to the top.
Besides, what's be the name of the show?
Talk.
All right, so my people, we don't come again as today. I tell you, today will be our real life issues Tuesday. Yes, on top of Talk for Wazobia TV. In case you don't know where you day. We get plenty things awaiting you today. We get our stories where they hot. We get our cocoa of the day. We get letter from our fan where they watch us. We say, he like us, so they put opinion down for matter. And he get this matter where they worry and where he wants make you chook mouth put. Make you gum body with us for your TV, because we will soon drop that one too after we don't talk about stories. And I tell you today will be our real life issues. If you get opportunities or you get anything where they disturb you where you want, make we put mouth, we get our Gretacha. We get Amaka where go talk as it's supposed to be, even though she know they sure. Then we get AKA handle. We go still talk as elderly person and the father of the house. Then you get me, we go put the ice on top of the cake. All right, so my people, I never surprised say, we know they the building. Yes, we go make the mystery to move to the permanent site. And I make a no day today with us. All right, so my people, we don't reach time for us to talk plenty, and we don't ready to talk. My own name still remain Queen B or Balo. Yes.
My people are welcome to Talk. My name still remain Betty and Willie.
Why you arrange face?
I'm surprised. But then before, what's happened today where you just straight, you don't even reach one.
No letter drop.
Okay, I bet I know best. My name as always is Bernard, aka Handle. They handle everybody, handle all the people in the studio, help you handle.
It have come and do you.
You want to handle.
It have come and do
Amaka,
you.
I can handle your head. I can handle your cap, John.
Thank you. I like my capacities. My cap is if I'm
actually not be cap now. Yeah, you fix, but it look like
my dear resemble cap. My name now Amaka Kudia for that. Good afternoon.
All right, so my people, whenever you talk, don't take confuse you. Yes, for here, what we they do? We say we get different things where they trend for town, where people they do chon. We go bring and come on top of this our beautiful table. We go talk the matter as it be. Then we go put our mouth, shook our mouth, talk them as it's supposed to be, make it for arrange for you. If you think say you won't join body with us, you self won't talk your own and make them hear your voice, why not? If not, make you follow us. Go on top of our Facebook for Wazobia NG.
Talk Wazobia.
I don't forget no voice. Talk Wazobia. I didn't want to make you talk him. That's why I actually then you go ask Talk Wazobia for on top of Twitter. Make you join us to talk your own for there. I tell you, you go hear as it's supposed to be. We go still read your tweet come outside. But for here, we will start with our number one story. My people are not ready. The matter is a hot. But first thing first, we could talk about this one. This one now for Ekiti State now for happen. Police don't come, they don't go arrest one Bukola. What did Bukola do? They just say Bukola don't go burn her husband third leg. Yeah. She set him for fire. What thing happened? They say this one happened like last week. They say she and her husband they quarrel over waiting. She said on Valentine's Day now her own birthday will be February 14 and her husband ignore saying her birthday. Why? Because say she never born since 3 years ago where they don't marry. Because of the matter, the thing can cause trouble for their house that they fight. Even neighbors try to chook mouth, put on top of the matter to make sure say everything they peacefully. But the husband, they vex. He say why she go talk to Ram like that. Actually, she agreed say them quarrel and the man enter inside house, start to scatter her property. With the anger because the man they smoke, he forget say they get petrol for house. Now he lighter. He lighting cigar I mean, make it for take smoke. Now the thing can't take explode because they get petrol for house. Now fire can't catch the man. But I won't come up for all this matter. Make I ask this question. If be say that they quarrel and the man light cigar, I don't know why it can't be saying in between the man leg. Now the fire decide to catch. I beg, Mukuna help me attend to this one. She intentionally burned the man third leg because he no agree give her a baby, or when I feel say it just happened, say mistake just happened. Because
For me,
she don't end the man matter.
plenty stories still there where we never hear.
Yeah.
Because maybe we assume say she intentionally do them. And you dey tell me say full grown man go stay and she go light fire for that place and he go stand make the thing get burn. Because the thing they want kind from my eye. Number one, if person want attack you, you get what they call self-defense. And if they kick in, the adrenaline go kick in because not just unconscious thing, you know go plan and it go just happen. So even if person like now can be carry my hand say she want to come for inside fire. I go struggle now, and this is not man and woman. Just not two women. I go say, okay, one person, but man and woman, really, the man supposed don't fit fight or something, sha. And then based on what she could, the excuse where she they give say the man they smoke. Even if you enter where petrol day, you won't come smoke for them. Now only that particular place, now in the fuel, I say, okay, now here I won't focus on that. Plenty stories still there for the issue. Maybe, then they leave some kind things out. They leave sauce, they leave Maggi, they just give us raw rice.
Oh.
In fact, this matter, this story now to be continued. Because I don't go lie you, because really, the matter is in plenty perspective they say, like Betiana talk. How you go light match say come and say the way we even see the story said they say he roast the woman roast.
Yeah, because the woman roast now.
The meat the choppers never do that. The story they funny, but at the same time no funny. I know understand. But really, the matter plenty. The thing where they my mama for talk, I don't fit talk on television. After the show, when I come meeting, make I talk.
You talk on Twitter.
In fact, yes, now I go do. I go talk on Twitter. Isn't that too funny? And if not true, say because the woman never born, now the man now they claim say because the woman say the man because if I don't even know who they talk with him because he never born, now the woman put fire.
Yes, the man said the woman they worry and she.
So as the woman come put fire, so now will come bring the pikin come. And Mr. Oga, hey. This story plenty. Different things they stop petrol for house.
I tell you, the story is long. We got to cut them short.
The story they still get
they still get they never tell us.
You get 5, 10 legs.
You get that the story be.
Just the move
but
like
bad as it bad though, man. To put fire for person body no be the answer. Whether he born, he no born, whether na Valentine Day, I mean na Christmas Day, whether he verse you, no verse you. Two wrongs don't make it right.
At all. Yeah. Because when she dey even talk the story, I look and say, wait, she talk say. She no put the fire. Police asked her and she said she no put the fire. So now the man used himself. So when
in the
smoke. So if the man true like you talk and say, I been out better talk and say do the match. So now only that place is to catch. So the rest of him body they fire repellent.
No, actually, that the place. Petrol for that region, no the issue.
No the issue.
The petrol no the issue.
I mean, I say, Nigeria the man put the cigar lighter.
You are on point.
Ma talk my own. I feel say the man know what's in the problem actually because the woman never born and he know say he like the woman and he feel say the problem now from him he come from. Maybe he don't know say okay now him no fit born.
So
he can look and say, okay, if I tell this woman on a normal day talk, say, okay, now me no fi born. She feel won't go. And I like her, I no go want make another person take my wife. Now I they look at the other way around. So come say, okay, you know what? Make I put her for trouble so that she go everly day attached to me for a very long time.
I'll punch her.
So he decide to I just put the blame on her. Or the woman confused say, you know what? If they go outside, they go so me here for outside. And you leave me and they look for picking. You know what? Make we end this quarrel. You take half, me I take half. Make we be the same inside house.
It go both ways. You actually swing both ways. But right about now, maybe the man in the hospital.
Yeah.
When he did all right.
Now in the hospital. The somiye way say me no go somiye.
We just pray say go do all right very soon.
Yes. We really
all right,
so.
My people, if you want chook mouth for the third leg where they roast, you get the opportunity. Go at talk for Wazobia, make you go talk your own for the year. The matter there, you guys they do it. All right, we move to our number 2 story. This one, now Miracle go call him. I've been waiting. Well, we read them out, make you hear. This one happened for Utah for US. They say they find one 14-month-old baby. For 18-month-old baby for her car seat where accident for happen with the mama and her inside car. This one, ma talk this one before I read the main story. I beg, if you know say you get small picking for house and you want drive, go far. Try to get baby seats, at least to protect the child. Because I tell you, you know, you never can tell the next person where they near you, waiting in the thing for head, make you no go jam you. This one happened because the woman been they drive, the 25-year-old woman, she did travel around that Utah road. According to what we hear, say she did travel and she can't go hit the pavement. You know that culvert where they did for turning, she can't go hit them. When she hit and the motor somersault actually enter inside river, but the baby can't do upside down upside down inside, hanged for something. Now one farmer where they farm around there, now he discover say, see accident and see one baby, they upside down, they hang. Now the man can call police, may then come and call doctors and emergency response. They can come. They there for 14. The accident don't happen according to what they check out. They say the thing don't happen for 14 hours. Now it don't happen. This one I go and waiting the farmer talk. He say and some people waiting I really captured here. He say and some people no believe say God still did. Because if the baby fit get accident for 14 hours, it's upside down, and the mother way hits the pavement actually die, but the baby still dey alive. That one I be say make you actually dey careful when you dey drive. This one I want ask. You believe say e get one kind spirit where they follow small pikin farm, because no be the first story we're going on here, but you go yes, say accident happen, fire catch, but small children they always they escape them. When I feel say you get one small spirit or a big spirit where they follow them.
Yeah, well, I go talk true. The truth be say me I no be person where they always believe in say spirits they follow person, what they follow person. But the truth be say I believe say the innocence of children they always help them well.
Okay.
But apart from the innocence of children, make we no lie, make we tell ourselves the truth. Just like you don't talk, if you get motor, you get pikin inside, put car seats. Okay. If you say the car seats no dey there and the pikin die, we for no talk say spirits, one spirit come, one guardian angel come help it. Now the truth of the matter be that So I beg, if you get pikin they drive, they get some small safety gear. They get one day where I go church. The father where they the church where they preach, come talk say they get accident yes. We thank God say we survive. But the thing we save them now in seat belt. The person will not use the seat belt in the front. He use seat belt. Somebody you know that 3 seats they back, 2 then person fit dey the middle. Person wey dey the middle as the car hits, him fly go front take head hit windscreen. But person wey sit down for front, he no see it because he wear seat belt. Person wey dey back no wear seat belt. Let me that thing happen. Now the car dey on upside down. I've been read that story. The car dey upside down. They get seat belts where they hold the baby, the car seat.
Yes.
So the seat belt hold the car seat. That made the baby suspend up like that.
Oh.
But the mother, unfortunately, now she just full inside the chair, so she drowned inside the water. Unfortunately, yes, I believe say God get us to save children because of their innocence. But all the same, human beings make we dey safety conscious. Because my own belief be say the thing wey man fit do for himself, God no go do one for you.
At all.
God no go do waiting. They say God will not do for man what man can do for himself. But I still believe, like you talk, I believe say they get the spirits, they get the innocence of pikin. Where God they look, where they take save them. We thank God for that child. They say the child don't they recover.
Yes,
the condition don't they
over 100,
don't they so, you know, don't they okay. So we thank God for the child.
I believe 100%. Say something they follow pikin. Like I just to believe them. Because sometimes you go when pikin do some kind of things, you go fear say you get so many things I don't watch. You get one where I watch where the CCTV capture am sha.
Okay.
The guy drive in. As he just drive enter, as in they come, they don't open gate for him. As they enter, now maybe I don't know whether you don't reach 1 year self. All these children when they like run. Be like say the mama they bath or something. He run come for him mama hand, run directly to the gate. As he reach gate, now so the long vehicle just enter. Now on top the pikin, the car pass. If you see as the mama come out from the house, bang the door, the man no know say pikin dey there. Because now pikin. As he just, Aduma they jam, I saw the man fly come off on the motor. They find the enter on that car. They find the pikin. The pikin did the other side. Now the gate man carry the pikin for hand. Not even a scratch. Did the pikin body.
Wow.
That one by the time you say something, they follow that pikin. Because when you see the CCTV, you go believe say the motor smash the pikin. Now wait till you go. If you just see and it's smashing, but not even a scratch for that pikin body. So if you tell me this was a person of something follow him. If it's still they follow us as we don't grow. As we don't grow with grey hair. If it's they follow us.
We don't
No. If it's they follow us. They follow me.
When you want to talk,
We
say
don't
person
spoil.
spoil, speak for yourself, not they speak for everybody.
Exactly.
If you don't spoil,
We
you
don't
don't
spoil.
spoil.
Exactly.
You remember
They
people
follow
get
me.
what they call a leader. Then they say na guardian angel or something where
yeah.
they follow people. And me, I believe a lot say it get guardian angel where they follow people because we don't see a lot of things. Not be by say okay, we they watch a Nigerian film where then they bobo us every time. But first of all, I go talk about one song where one gospel artist do about one woman wey get accident, and after everything done shatter, she look the back seat and the pikin still there. That one they not tell us say car seat there inside that one. No.
They don't tell us if it dey now, but they don't tell us.
But wait, and if he know they.
So we don't know
At the
yet.
same time, I remember one accident when I still small. That they were when we see the hustle that year, we enter Molue. You know as mole where they be, if you don't enter, they move.
Yeah.
Then my mama push me inside. As we enter inside, I think I was like 5 or even less. As we enter inside, now mole begin go, where my mama, they run after mole. And me as a child, a stupid child at that, I thought you said the only reason everything has to jump out. And I jump out. And this mole where they talk about, it crossed my hand. And I tell you, say nothing do me, as in my mom says I don't die. She not even come meet myself. Now the driver should go home. Now later on, 9 people passers by see say, oh, this girl, her eyes still open. No, they carry me come up and nothing do me. So what you go talk about that one? That one cast it no day. I mumu jump from inside moving vehicle and tie across my hand and nothing do me. So definitely you go no say it gets something. I don't know whether you go call them spirits or but I go follow the Yoruba aspect. Say okay, eleda. It get waiting they watch over each and every one of us. And according to your communion with Baba God there and whatever anyone where you serve, now it go help you build or break whatever the leather be. So
yeah, I believe I just get this imagination from my head when you talk now, where you say you believe, and yes, I believe say God gives each and every one of us guardian angel, but maybe we go do 1 or 2 things to take drive them away from us.
Okay.
Yes, 9 the thing go live. But if not, for children, because they're still innocent, they never do anything. I believe say you get one special one where they follow them. Now when you can't grow, on the side say, see the road is split like this, back, white, black, you know what, make I test black, you go this way. Guardian angel go always leave you. All right, so my people, if you know say you want chook mouth on top of the roasted one what we talk about, you get the opportunity. If you want to talk about the small picking way save after 14 hours of accident where they don't come see now and it don't day okay for hospital, you self get the opportunity to chook your mouth inside. When we come back from this break, we will continue with more stories and we come back.
Why be saying that roasted stories take the switch you?
You know that roasted meat.
I bet Mona buy me roasted chicken. I want chop roasted chicken. Or boiling roasted plantain.
When I want to talk about it, I can imagine. So